Have you ever promised yourself, this is it, I'm going to be disciplined now, and 3 days later, you're back to scrolling, delaying, and feeling disappointed? Yeah, me too. Discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about becoming mentally unbreakable, even on the days you don't feel like it. Here are 7 discipline rules that changed everything for me. Rule 1. Do it especially when you don't feel like it. Motivation is unreliable. Some days you'll wake up ready to conquer the world. Most days, you won't. The mentally strong don't wait for motivation. They move anyway. If you said you'd study for 20 minutes, do it. If you said you'd go to the gym, go, even if it's a light workout. Discipline grows every time you act against your mood. Rule 2. Keep promises to yourself. We get angry when others break promises, but we break promises to ourselves all the time. I'll wake up early. I'll stop wasting time. I'll start tomorrow. Every broken promise lowers your self-trust. Start small. Make tiny promises. Keep them. That's how you rebuild confidence from the inside. Rule 3. Control your environment, not just your mind. If your phone is next to you, you'll scroll. If junk food is in front of you, you'll eat it. Discipline is easier when temptation is harder. Put your phone in another room. Prepare your workspace. Make the good choice the easy choice. That's not weakness, that's strategy. Rule 4. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Growth feels awkward. Waking up early feels painful. Starting something new feels scary. Most people quit because it's uncomfortable, but discomfort is a sign you're leveling up. Instead of saying, this is hard, say, this is training. Rule 5. Focus on consistency, not intensity. You don't need a 5-hour productive day. You need one focused hour every day. Burnout doesn't build discipline. Repetition does. Small effort, repeated daily. That's how you become unstoppable. Rule 6. Stop negotiating with your excuses. Your brain is smart. It will justify anything. I'm tired. I'll start next week. Just this once. The more you negotiate, the weaker your discipline becomes. Set a rule. Follow it. No debate. Rule 7. Detach from outcomes. Focus on identity. Don't say, I'm trying to lose weight. Say, I'm becoming someone who trains daily. Don't say, I want success. Say, I am building discipline. When you focus on who you're becoming, results follow naturally. Being mentally unbreakable doesn't mean you never fail. It means you don't quit on yourself. So, here's your challenge. Pick just one of these rules today. Not all 7, just one. Practice it for the next 7 days. Small steps, real consistency. Let's build discipline together.